Smart by GEP is a unified procurement platform for buyers to source for materials and services in an exciting way of working. Unlike the manual process, Smart by GEP enables value to be captured more efficiently. Prior to Smart Go Live, the risk assessment has been performed by cybersecurity team, and like any innovation, it comes with threat of exploitation, which can lead to leakage of suppliers' data, PDPA or GDPR fines, and business disruptions. To proactively protect Smart by GEP from cyber attack, there was some risk treatment plan that has been agreed to be implemented by business owner, such as the implementation of acceptable use policy and multi-factor authentication. The implementation of the treatment plans will reduce the likelihood and impact of cybersecurity risk to Smart by GEP. As you know, the cybersecurity risk is greater now and cybercrime threat to business is rising fast. By doing so, it will reduce the likelihood and impact of cybersecurity risk across PETRONAS.